If you work in finance or follow financial news, you've probably heard of the Bloomberg Terminal, that legendary tool used by traders, analysts, and big firms. It's basically a full command center for financial data. Real-time market updates, company research, messaging, analytics. If it's related to money, Bloomberg Terminal likely has it. It's trusted by Wall Street pros for a reason. But here's the catch. It's not cheap. We're talking thousands per month. And the interface? It looks like it was built in the 1990s. Learning how to use it takes time and practice. Also, unless you're in finance professionally, working at a bank, hedge fund, or trading firm, you probably don't need it. There are cheaper tools out there with smoother interfaces, like TradingView or Reuters. So, is it worth it? If you're deep in finance and need top-tier real-time data and connections, yes, absolutely. But for casual investors or students, you'll be better off starting elsewhere. Let me know if you've ever used the Bloomberg Terminal, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.